Comrades, fellow veterans of the liberation struggle, and true sons and daughters of Zimbabwe, we have become spectators while arrivists are devouring our party. Ndizana pina mashoko kudaitwa panapa na retired lieutenant general Winston Ngauke Mabranga achidefenda the revolution achiti no pasine vakomana vari kuuya panguva inai vachizama kuda kuchinja the ideals of the liberation nekuda kwemari. Ndoribva subscribe like on the bell icon. Anaitambira mudanyara achiti it is frustrating that neither the state apparatus born from the liberation struggle nor the structures we sacrificed for can do anything about it. The biggest mischief has been Mnangagwa himself, who is harboring such elements, nurturing them, and allowing them to feast on the very foundations we built with blood, sweat, and unmarked graves. I speak as an old soldier who has served this nation with honor. I did not shed blood in the bush to hand over our revolution to opportunists and briefcase politicians who know nothing of Chimurenga, nothing of the sacrifice at Chimoyo, nothing of the discipline and ideology that forged ZANU-PF. Yet today, we watch in silence as these arrivists dismantle the party from within, protected from above. Mnangagwa must take full responsibility. Harboring these elements is not leadership, it's betrayal of the revolution. It weakens the very institutions that guaranteed our independence. We, the veterans, we will not remain spectators forever. Our silence is not consent, it is a restraint, born of discipline, but restraint has limits. Zimbabwe belongs to its people, not to factions, not to dynasties, and not to those who mistake proximity to power for power itself. The struggle continues, not with arms, with the time, but with unwavering commitment to the Constitution, to the ideals of the Liberation War, and to the future of the children. Ndo mashikano mdanyo kwa panguwa ina na retired lieutenant Winston Mabranga chiti aluta kundinyowa. Ina comment section medu za fukura any more kudipa msatu kuchitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.